Well, hello, folks. Albert Newfie here. Yeah, I will upload a video and that I took with my drone. I'm still in the learning process. I bought this drone just a short while ago. Well, I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 months now, maybe ago. And I'm still learning. Not so good as some of you guys with the drone yet. But I'm getting there. But I just had to stop because it seemed like lately we're getting so much wind here in Lloydminster, Alberta, where I live. It's almost everyday thing. But for a while there was no wind, and then I seen the wind was coming to start to take my drone, and the drone would drift off in different places. So anyhow, I think maybe 1 or 2 little videos, something like that. But I want to show you what I was doing this afternoon. I mean, we got a beautiful day, nice and sunny, but we got a little breeze, of course, now, so I had to stop using my drone. If not, who knows where it would have been up to here in the city. But, yeah, so I just want to come on and tell you that after this, my talking here, I just want to let you know that you will see video of my drone. Sometimes you may see the drone moving like I'm walking, which I am, and never stop the video. But anyhow, I'm still in the learning process with my drone, and learning how high I can put it in the air, and rotating around, taking pictures and stuff. So like I said, it's taking a while because there's days we have such strong wind that I can't take my drone out to use it. So anyhow, you will see the video or two that I have. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my YouTube videos. I appreciate all the new people that have joined lately, and all the other ones that have been following and coming back to watch the videos. Stay tuned, folks, because there's going to be a little bit more camping and fishing, but pretty soon, not next week, the week after, a couple of weeks, 2 weeks from now, me and my sweetheart, we're taking a road trip, which is will be my birthday trip. She's already given me a birthday gift. I showed you that on my videos for some people that haven't seen it. It's a big golf set, all the golf clubs, everything that's in the bag, and a beautiful golf set. And if you guys haven't seen that, just go through my videos and check them all out. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And my videos, the headline, the title is The Alberta Newfie. I call it The Alberta Newfie because I am a Newfoundlander born and raised. I've been living in Alberta now for almost 25 years. So I figured I would use that title, The Alberta Newfie. So go and check out my videos, and I hope you enjoy this video, and you will see it in a little bit. Okay, take care. God bless.